Speaking of invisible, ever heard of the glass frog? If you haven't, no worries. It's practically see-through. This little amphibian might look like your typical frog at first glance, but wait, there's a twist. Its belly is transparent, showing off its insides like a natural biology lesson. The glass frog's translucent trick isn't just for show, it's a clever camouflage strategy. When these frogs rest on leaves, their see-through bellies blend in with the leaf's color and texture, making them nearly impossible to spot from below. It's as if they're saying, "Can't touch this," to any predators looking for a snack.